In this example, we are going to be doing another derivative. It's described as a chain rule, but it looks more like a quotient rule right now. The chain rule piece is the fact that you have a square on this. And I'm going to rewrite this. I don't often have this opportunity, but I'm going to rewrite this one because there's nothing on top. I can take this whole piece and just bring it up. And if I do that, what that turns this into is I have 4x plus 2, and then it's going to be raised to the negative 2. Right, so it definitely doesn't have to be a quotient rule. There are times that you can manipulate it and it doesn't make it any more complicated. In fact, it makes it a little bit nicer. Here I can just do the chain rule. I don't have to do the quotient rule and the chain rule all mixed together. So if I just start to apply the chain rule to this, I'm going to do the derivative of the outside, which is I'm going to bring the negative 2 down and drop the power. So I'll take a negative 2, not changing the inside, and then dropping the power down 1. So the negative 2 becomes negative 3, and then times the derivative of the inside. So times 4. So if I put that together, my slope equation is this is going to be dropped down to the bottom because of the negative exponent. So 4x plus 2 cubed. And then that negative 2 and that 4 can mix together and make a negative 8 on the top. So there's my derivative. And then we are asked to find the slope at 2. So we'll do the slope at 2. So we'll plug in. We have a negative 8 on the top. We have a 4 times the 2 plus 2 cubed on the bottom. And so we're going to get a negative 8 over, this is going to be 8 plus 2, which is 10 cubed. So we're looking at negative 8 over 100. I need to simplify that. So I'm going to try to do this out of a calculator. I think 8 goes into, it's not 100, it's 1,000. It's different. I'm pretty sure 8 goes into 1,000, but I don't really know off the top of my head. So I'm just going to pick at it. I'm going to divide a 2 out of both of them. So I'll get a negative 4 over 500. Divide another negative 2 or divide a 2. So I'll get a negative 2 over 250. Divide another 2 and get a negative 1 over 125. And that is my slope at 2.